Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Yeah, in this video, we're gonna be discussing about how to design a e-commerce website using the Shopify platform. So, I'll be showing you some examples of websites that have been designed using the Shopify website. Then I'll be walking you through how you can design something for yourself without hiring someone on Fiverr, Upwork, or any freelancing website to design something like that for yourself. So I'll be showing you one website so you can see what I'm talking about. So this website is called Shop Bay Ice. So what they do is all about ice, gold, silver, everything. So and it's been hosted on the Shopify platform. So with this being said, I'll be walking you through how to design something like this for yourself without paying anybody or hiring someone on Fiverr to design something like this for you. Or I would like to check on Fiverr so we'll see how much these people are charging if you want to design a Shopify website. Okay, so Shopify website design. So here we'll see how much people are actually charging to design a well-functioning Shopify website. So let me just click on any. Okay, I will do website redesign. Okay, let's check on this. Yeah, this is the basic package for Shopify website design. So you can see here the basic 15 products, 4 plugins, and basic designs. So and the premium package costs $130. So but with the way I'll be showing you, you don't need to pay any amount of money before you can learn how to design something like this for yourself. So I'll be walking you through the website in which you can use to design something great for yourself, which we are going to be using Udemy to learn how to design a well-functioning Shopify e-commerce website for yourself. So I've input these keywords with the word Shopify development, and I'm able to see different type of courses here on Udemy where you can learn. So there are some courses that they cost $12 or more or less, and also there are some courses as well that are free for you to learn. So let's say for instance here you can see here the paid courses is 10,000 which they have on this platform, and the free courses is 5,000. So I would like us to check on some free courses and see what they have. So this is a free course on Udemy. So Shopify course for beginners, create a store from scratch. See what I'm talking about. So let's just click on this course and see what it's all about, then see some features and what people are actually saying about it. So this is what you will learn from this course: how to find winner products that are unsaturated, how to launch a store without any technical background, how to market effectively on Instagram, how to run high quality Facebook ad efficiently. So you can see here these are all you need to design a well functioning Shopify e-commerce website. And if you want to enroll, so you click on here to enroll. So this is course content, what you're going to be learning in this course. So the requirement is you should be able to use a PC at a beginner level. Then you should have the will to start an online e-commerce business. So of course that should be the first thing in your mind. So you should have a full mind that you want to be successful in this e-commerce business. So and be very fully ready to get started immediately. So these are the people that this course is actually for. So anyone who want to start an effective e-commerce store, anyone who already own an e-commerce store but want to expand their knowledge in designing a responsive e-commerce website. So let's check on the reviews that people are actually dropping regarding this course, so we can believe if this is worth trying or giving our time to watch. So this review says, so far so good. Okay, this one says, just wanted to know how Shopify works. I can say I got pretty basic knowledge about it. Then this one says, it's quite easy made and explained. Thanks Ryan for your course. This will help a lot. So you can see what people are actually saying about this course, and yet it's free. So all I have to say is that, so regarding the fact that this course is actually for free, there are some courses which are paid here, and also it's all the same thing. You will only get the same thing with all these courses. Let's check on this paid one, which is $12, and see the course content, what you're going to be getting, what you learn, and the other stuff. So this is what you learn from this: how to understand the Shopify e-commerce platform, how to add additional function feature through the Shopify app marketplace, how to collect money via Shopify, how to integrate social media into your new Shopify website. This is quite amazing. Then how to set up beautiful Shopify website quickly and easy, how to set up products including integration with Amazon, Etsy, and other selling sites, how to integrate email marketing for long-term relationship building, traffic, and sales, how to use Shopify reports and third-party analysis tools to maximize your profit. This is so cool, and also the price is quite cheap. So if you can go for this, that's pretty cool. If you can go for this, and if you can go for the free one as well. So both are actually cool, regardless the fact that you are not hiring someone on freelancing to or on Fiverr to design something like this for you. So definitely you'll be able to design or tweak your store by yourself, and then do many things you like without the freelancers charging you extra for any modification after the full setup. And these are the requirements for you to get started: basic comfort with online tools such as PayPal, basic comfort with Photoshop editing and all that elements, ability to pay the monthly Shopify cost. It's not free. Yep. So you need to set up a Shopify account to fully complete the lesson in this course. Of course, that's true. So how much does Shopify cost for you to host a website on the platform? And of course, they have a 14 days free trial in which you can actually test and see if it's worth trying before you pay for the whole stuff. So let's check on the pricing and see if it's actually worth it, or if you think you are fully ready to get started using a Shopify website for your e-commerce business. So these are the prices here: the basic Shopify and the advanced as well. So the basic is $29. The, let's say, the standard is 79, and then the advanced level is $299 per month. So here you can see these are the features for each package. So unlimited products, staff account, to 24/7 support, sales channel, location up to 4, manual order creation, discount codes, and all the stuffs like that. And then there's just a little bit different within all the package, So international pricing per variant pricing. So all these are great, and then you can actually start from the basic package, so you know if it's actually worth it or what you're trying. Then you can give it a start. And also I would like to drop, if you don't want a platform whereby you paying like this, so I will drop a video whereby you can actually design a e-commerce website using a WordPress web platform. So WordPress as well, you need to pay for the platform too, you understand? So but the package is will be kind of like different. This will not be monthly basics, because you can actually choose either you want to choose from monthly payment or yearly payment, so they are kind of like different. So I'll be showing you in the next videos on how to design an e-commerce website using a Shopify or using a WordPress platform. So in the next video I'll be showing you how you can get that done. I hope this video helps you and it solves some of your problems regarding how to host a Shopify e-commerce website online. So if you actually like this video, please comment and like or subscribe to this channel, and if there's anything you notice that I need to discuss about or you don't get the fact about it, so kindly drop a comment and I'll reply to it. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Thank you.